How to register business on TikTok. Before we register your business on TikTok, we are going to have to convert your personal account to business account. Firstly, open your TikTok account and go to the profile section. Then click on to the 3 horizontal lines at the very top. Once that is done, you want to open the settings and privacy section and navigate towards the account as shown on the screen. Once you open the account, you'll see that there is an option to switch to business account. Simply click on it and set your business account up. This part is pretty easy. You're going to have to choose a category to which your business belongs to. It further asks you for your email and your bio, which I have chosen to skip here. And there you have it. This is how you can set up your business account. Now going all the way back down, we are going to go to the business suite, and here there will be a section of business registration. As you can see, it is not available in my region, but if it is available in your region, you can simply click on the business registration and fill out some details about your business. And there you have it. This is how you can register your business on TikTok. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.